It is Christmas market season, and we have a lot of plans to go to some of the bigger and more well-known markets throughout Germany and a couple in France, but we also want to see what the small towns have to offer. So we are going to go to the Steinenbronn Christmas market, which is a small town right next to us. Should we go?
Yeah, let's go.
We've got about 15 minutes until our bus comes. We need to go get some money first. It is just the two of us today. Jake had to work today and he's not feeling well, so when he gets off work and if he's feeling better, he will come meet up with us, but for now, it's just me and you.
And also I don't have a hand because my hand is broken off. Just kidding, my hand is actually here. There are lots of people. We're going to check around the Christmas market, and after that, we are going to go home. They have lots of food at this Christmas market.
We're gonna get gluhwein. Hallo,
Glühwein, ja.
Ja.
Ja, Lina?
€5 mit Pfand.
Okay.
5? Oh,
5. You get 2 bags when you get to
thank you.
Thank you.
Doing a video of the gluhwein.
Lina, bitte geh mal ein Stück hier weg.
Dankeschön. Okay, let's go find somewhere to stand. We just got a gluhwein. This was only €5. It comes in this really cute mug. I think some little kids had decorated a bunch of mugs there. It's only €5, and if you want, when you're done with the gluhwein, you can go back and get €2 back. This is the cutest mug I think we've gotten so far.
There's lots of people, and I've seen so many Christmas stuff at the Christmas market.
Gluhwein number 1. Let's give it a taste. Very good. Can't go wrong with gluhwein. How cute is that?
Cute.
Inklusive Pfand. 7 plus 4 €.
Dauert kurz am Wetter.
Pro Tasse 2.
Also 3 Originale, alle eine ohne Tomate.
Nur wenn es halt dann
Das sind Eilikör, Toffee-Likör. Die einzige Unterschied ist, manche Flaschen sind schlank und lang und die anderen sind dick und kurz. Aber die haben die gleiche Menge.
So it's a small town, and this is definitely a smaller market. They have everything kind of packed into this little city square, but they have basically everything you see at other Christmas markets. I haven't really been able to see what types of food they have. I did see that they have a raclette brot, which I would be the thing that I got in Esslingen, which is the bread with the cheese scraped on top. So maybe we'll have to do that.
Did you get gluhwein? Where?
Right out of there.
Go fishing.
Doing a quick video.
Good work, man.
Jetzt ist
I'm gonna be
vorbei.
a cinematographer one day. Okay, let's go back to that bench.
Right here.
Stand up here.
Yeah. And then gluhwein number 2.
Okay. Gluhwein number 2.
There's lots of steam.
It's a lot of steam. It's very hot. Very good. I got goulash soupa and bread or brot.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna dip it in there. You wanna show me dipping it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna taste it. So good. You wanna try some?
No. Is there anything on it?
Just plain bread.
Super good.
Super good.
This is one of the goodest breads. They make the goodest breads at this Christmas market.
How many stars would you give it?
I'll give it 3 for very good.
All right, Dada said he's gonna come pick us up, so I need to hurry up and eat my goulash and drink my gluhwein, and then we're gonna go.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Come on, Mama. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Go as fast as we can.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
It's hot.
Are you gonna hurry up?
Go as fast as I can.
Mama, don't just eat all of that. It's gonna take way too long.
All right, Dada's on his way to pick us up. This was so good. Can't finish it. It's very hot. I also have my hot gluhwein. The weather is perfect out right now, so I'm sweating. But he wants us to pick him something to eat, so we need to go find something for Dada to eat. Sound good?
Yes! Come on, we have to hurry!
Hallo. Du kannst auch nicht also, normalerweise
Süße Schokolade.
Also wir haben es perfekt.
Nein, ja.
Leon, aber wie gesagt, das Thema DSV hat es schon seit Jahren. Das ist eigentlich klasse, aber da bin ich der Meinung, dass das
Too much.
aber da kann ich mal vorsichtig meine Mutter auch nachfragen. Und sonst? Heiß. Es kann sein, dass du gewisse Probleme hast.
This is for Dada, so we're gonna take this in the car with us.
Put that little piece of the food on there. There we go.
That's pretty freaky, isn't it?
What is it called?
It says, I don't know, it doesn't say, it just says Steinenbronn.
It says NZ Steinenbronn.
Yep. All right, let's go find Dada. We're waiting for Jake to come pick us up. We got 2 dishes that I'll show you when we get home. Hey. It's kind of dark, but how was the market?
Good.
How many stars would you give the market?
1 billion million.
You liked it?
Yeah.
When
But I'm gonna get the other way only 1 star.
the other way 1 star?
Yeah, where it said Steinenberg.
Those scary things?
Yeah.
That was only 1 star?
Yeah, only 1 star. Actually, I'm gonna give it 0 stars.
You didn't like those?
No. Well, that is him. That's him. That's him.
Hey!
What?
I thought it was, and then I checked it, and I didn't have any missed calls.
It's noodles and applesauce. Is that crazy?
Should we try that sometime?
Hey. Back around.
Gluhwein #1 at the Waldenbuch Christmas market. That's really good. It's technically called a hot lillet.
You guys should try the hot lillet at the Waldenbuch Christmas market. If you want to come and try this, then come.
Alright, let's stand over here.
Fish in there.
Ooh.
Which is favorite pizza topping? Mushrooms. Correct. Now I'm going to switch up it. What is which's favorite pizza topping? Macaroni and brews. Yeah, correct. That is all the jokes that we are going to be doing. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to subscribe to our channel, then you can get another version of me at this Waldenbuch Christmas market. Bye!
I could get sauce if you wanted it. Pepperoni.
Which is favorite pizza topping?
Onions.
Huh?
Onions.
Maxim. When you would tell me some very funny old
Falafel. Yum. Sorts of stuff. Yeah.
Lay down here, or is it there?
What lady?
It sells like those embroidered.
I got a Fiora Zangenbola. I don't know how to say it, but I got this at the Esslingen Christmas market, and it was the one where they lit it on fire, and they had a sign for them here at the Waldenbuch one, and there were flames on it, and so I was like, oh, I'm gonna get one, and I went up and I was all excited, and they didn't light it on fire, but it's still good. To cut that out of the vlog.
Hey, Mama.
We went to the Steinenbronn and Waldenbuch Christmas markets, and it occurred to me at the end of the video that I never really gave my overall thoughts on the smaller markets. We absolutely loved them, but there were a couple things that I just wasn't thinking about but now seem pretty obvious. With the bigger markets, I think that they are overwhelming in a couple of ways. One, there are so many different choices. It can be kind of overwhelming, and a lot of the bigger cities have multiple markets, so it's just a lot to look through. They can also be overwhelming because of the crowd sizes. We always try to go on weekdays and earlier to avoid the crowds, and for the most part, we haven't had too many issues with there being so many people. Now, with the smaller markets, I kind of actually liked that there were fewer options. Just decision-making wise, it made it easier. They still had a ton of great food options, a lot of gluhwein, but it was smaller and you didn't have to think so hard. But the smaller markets to me actually felt more crowded than the times that we've gone to the bigger markets. They're obviously smaller, but they're cramming everything into a smaller space, and so even though there's not as many people, it just feels much more crowded. So it was a little overwhelming, but overall we really enjoyed it. The Waldenbuch Christmas market especially, we absolutely loved. So I think if you are coming to Germany or somewhere else in Europe and you're planning to go to a big Christmas market, consider also planning in some time to go to a smaller town's Christmas market. They usually only have those on one weekend during the kind of Christmas season, and there you know that you're really supporting these small local towns. A lot of the booths at the Steinenbronn and Waldenbuch Christmas markets were being held by elementary schools and other small town shops. And so in some of the bigger markets, it does feel very local, but you can also tell that a lot of the people are coming in from other areas to the bigger market. So if you want to truly support a small local town, I would highly recommend some of the small Christmas markets. Now, in our next video that'll be out either next week or the week after, we are going to Strasbourg and Colmar, France, to the Christmas markets there. Now, those ones are highly regarded, Strasbourg especially, so we're gonna go see if they live up to the hype.